These are my trade history, and on my leaderboard I have already locked in $1,800 in profit, but I'm about to take more trades right now. If this works, I will hit in top 20. If I not, I might lose everything. So let's see what happens. Alright, so now here comes the most important part, pair selection. Most traders skip this, and that's exactly why they lose. I'm not taking random trades, I'm choosing multiple currency pairs from OTC and real market. Only the one which is giving me the highest payout and the pairs I trust most and the pairs I trade most. You have to pay attention here. I am selecting my multiple currency pairs, and these are the exact currency pair I trade mostly. If you are serious, take a screenshot right now. These are the pairs I personally use on my Quotex chart every single day. Highest payout, clean moves, best setup, so don't miss this. Now, most of you already know how support and resistance strategy works in Quotex chart. That's the foundation, but today we are adding something extra, an indicator that helps me time my entries almost perfectly. This indicator name is stochastic oscillator, and trust me, when this is combined with support and resistance, the accuracy is on point. These are my exact settings, so you can take a screenshot right now, set it exactly like this. You can change the line colors if you want, but keep the value same, because this combo right here is what you need. Alright, we are ready. Pairs are selected, indicators is set, strategy is clear. Now it's time to trade. If you take the closer look at the stochastic indicator, this stochastic indicator is clearly signaling us that price has tendency to go down. And if you see the overall structure of the market, is in a channeling down ranging market, which I have mentioned in my previous videos as well. So with this two confirmation, I'm going directly with my put entry, and this is the best setup. So if you see the indicator here, this is giving us a crossover from 70 level. This is our first confirmation. Second confirmation, market structure channeling down ranging market. Let me take a parallel channel right here so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. If I adjust my parallel channel line right here, market is making lower lows. And as you all know, whenever market structure is making lower lows with a stochastic indicator crossover from the overbought zone, then that is a very powerful combination. You just need to take a put entry, and that is going to be a direct win. This is a very powerful combination. If you are only trading with the basis of support and resistance, you have to combine this indicator in your trading journey, because this will help you for that additional confirmation to execute your trades. And there it is, a clean direct winning trade. This is exactly what happens when you combine market structure, support and resistance, and the stochastic oscillator together. No guessing, no gambling, just pure confirmation. And check this out. This is my leaderboard, just crossed $2,000 in profit, from $1,800 to $2,000, just following one plan. That's the power of strategy and discipline. Now it's your turn. Try this indicator, combine it with the basic I have already taught you on this channel, backtest it, practice it, and then tell me in the comment how it works for you. I really want to know how the result is going. And if you're serious about trading, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Link is mentioned in the bio. I don't want to make this video long, so with this I'm signing out for today. I'm coming back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and happy trading.